Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do a pomfret fish fry. First we'll start with the masala. 2 teaspoons of corn flour. 1 teaspoon of gram flour, that is besan flour. To this add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Required amount of salt. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 egg white. Let us give a nice mix. This masala is for one big pomfret fish. Let us start marinating the fish. Now let us squeeze half a lemon into this. Add few curry leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Marinate the fish properly and we are going to let this sit for around 30 minutes. After 30 to 40 minutes of marination, the fish is ready to be fried. Pour some oil in a pan and start frying the fish. Take enough time and fry the fish at low to medium flame. Turn both sides and cook till the fish is completely cooked. As we have used egg whites, the masala will very well stick onto the fish. So turn either sides and cook properly. Our pomfret fish fry is ready now. This will be absolutely delicious. Do try this at home. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.